Alright, so this is a demo video, a little bit different this time around because the person who owns this is my daughter. I made this custom KR flagship for my daughter and I etched it myself. This is my first attempt at an etch. I've got a little bit of learning to do. Probably went a little bit too aggressive with the acid. It was a learning experience for sure, but it came out okay. She loves it. It's a Harry Potter theme. So we got a Hogwarts shield right there, and then on the opposite side, Gryffindor. And then some guy from the movie and books, and another guy. I'm not well versed on Harry Potter, but she loves it, so this was all for her. She loves sabers because that's what her dad does, and then I incorporated Harry Potter into it because that's what she loves. So I went and did some nerd digging and found actual spells that they cast in the movie, and I put those spells around these two rings right here, all the way around there. And then on the handle, starting from here, if you twist the handle, you can see Harry Potter up top, the other guy, and the girl, Hermione, I think. And then, of course, I put her name, Alyssa 2020 Love Daddy, on it. So this is all customized for her, and weathered with some black acrylic paint, and then a couple coats of clear coat on here. And then I don't know if you can see it well, but on each one of these different deals, one of them says HP for Harry Potter, and then you flip it around and it's got a lightning bolt, and it just keeps going back and forth like that. So all in all, I'm happy with how it turned out. It gave me a good base for something to learn from on my next etch. Let's open it up. So Alyssa got CFX with Neopixel setup, removable battery. It does say Alyssa's custom saber on her chassis, and then just her dad's business name here, Solo Sabers, on the other side. 28mm bass speaker, removable battery, and then she also got an OLED screen and pulled out all the stops, and she got stock Neopixel setup in the hilt. So my buddy Mark gave me a Harry Potter font that he had done some customizations to, and it was perfect for this guy. So we're going to go ahead and flip this in.
Why did Kenobi send you?
Why don't you surrender? And then we can both go and ask him.
Let me get to the Harry Potter one.
Sound bank selection.
Us. Only a Sith breed can be a powerful ally. Only a us, General. If you're not paying General, I will with this part.
And you can see the OLED screen working.
The Force is with you.
Harry Potter.
And we're at Harry Potter.
How do I look?
Exceptionally ordinary.
So Mark did a lot of cool stuff with this. I'm about to fire it up and show everybody what it does. This is a tight fit in here. In order to fit all this stuff, I wouldn't normally put an OLED screen in something like this, but got it to fit. And then I have a dual tactile switch I bought from Robert Sotomayor. I have two of them actually. They're both in brass. Even though it's in brass, I think it's cool. It works out good for this hilt, and everything turned out great. So we'll hit the activation.
Personally, I think you look a bit more devil-may-care this way, but it's up to you.
Sounds good.
I've always admired your courage, Harry.
So one thing I liked about this sound
Sometimes you
font
can be
is
really thick.
when you hit the auxiliary button when the blade is on, instead of getting a blaster deflect, they start casting spells, and then with every twist of the hilt is a different character casting a spell. So that's really cool. We're going to put a blade in here and fire it up. It does take a 1-inch blade, Neopixel. Got to find my Allen key. I just have a test blade for now. But she'll get one soon. She'll get a full blade for this guy soon. Maybe about 32 inches long. Be good for this. And we'll turn the light off.
Once again, you astonish with your gifts, Potter. Gifts mere mortals can only dream of possessing. How grand it must be to be the chosen one.
Hello, Moral. Incendio. Oculus repaired. No more from us. What do you take? Reduction!
So we got nice shine through.
Spectrum.
Get to change color just like all the other ones on CFX.
Spectrum. Blade profiles.
And then, of course,
These girls.
if she ever gets tired of Harry Potter, she's got about 50 other Star Wars fonts on here that she can mess with. Just hold down the auxiliary button.
Sound bank selection.
The Force is with you, young. I've been trained in it. This party's over. Right.
Smooth swing on all of them.
Spectrum.
So, that is the Harry Potter themed flagship etch that I gave to my daughter. Thanks.